Yo, just wanted to say before you get into the video, these runs are average runs that you should be expecting on the Descendant, right? This is not like a god run. I got like insane variables that make my Descendant like completely broken. It's just a normal run, so please enjoy the video, just skip around. Towards the last part, I'm also gonna be showcasing the Descendant modules and inversion, arc tuning, fellow, whatever I use. So if you wanna go to that, just skip to that part. So I hope you enjoyed the video. I won't bore you much. See ya. Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. We are gonna be doing a little bunny run here for those bunny enjoyers. I'm pretty sure there are quite a shit ton of you out there. So let's see. Skill power, yep, that's what I want. Now I do have Sparky that has electrical skill power increase, but I'm not gonna be using it just because I know some of you guys will not have it. Now if you don't have Blue Beetle, I don't know what to tell you, just get a Blue Beetle. Now if you don't know why you want Blue Beetle on Bunny, it is because it gives you critical hit rate, 115% to be exact, but you gotta have it in your heads. So just get a Blue Beetle, slap a 10% speed modifier on it, excuse me, core on it, grapple cooldown on it, and you should be good to go. Now I'm gonna be covering crit bunny this time, and I'm also gonna be covering non-crit bunny, which some of you guys may not know, but non-crit builds do work in here. Let's just get, yeah, critical hit damage, fine. Now what you wanna be focusing on is electric. Anything that says electric, anything that says skill power, you wanna get it. The only thing you don't wanna get is the ones that tell you that they reduce your crit rate to 100% because the translation is incorrect. I've repeated this many times in my videos before, but still. Also, like, you don't wanna get singular, you wanna get fusion, right? You see this? Tech skill. You don't want to get tech. Make sure to read this part as well. Let's reroll this. Let's get HP because some mods do require you to have HP. Some variables, I'm sorry. So yeah. Getting HP is fine. Getting defense is fine. Getting shield is fine. As long as you get HP imprint, after that, you're gonna be like chilling. Like we are dealing 1.8 to 2 million crit damage, right? If you get HP imprint, we are gonna be dealing about 200 million damage per second to every single enemy. Not per second, per 3 seconds, sorry. So yeah, it does increase your damage by a lot, but it cannot crit. That's the only quote-unquote downside to it, right? Firearm critical hit rate, we're just gonna get more HP. All you gotta do is just run through the enemies. You're a bunny, you should already know what your game plan is, right? Just run through them, kill them. Now getting the HP as well makes you a lot more tanky, way more tanky. So it is quite nice having that like 30k HP on Bunny, especially when she's known for like being squishy, right? There are a lot of players, and I know there is someone watching this video out there that keeps dying on Onslaught permanently, like one right after fucking another. It just keeps dying, dying and dying. Please stop dying. Run around, grapple around, fly around, do anything that you can. Stop dying, stop being a nuisance to your team. I know it's difficult, but just get a right build and you should be chilling. Now none of these are gonna be useful to me, although HP exploit is really, really good. HP exploit gives a shit ton of skill power that we are gonna be abusing. Pass it to the dance. We are doing massive amount of damage to the boss. There we go. Oh, like a light, yeah, lower light, yeah. I'm sorry, I'm listening to the music on the background, but because you will not be able to hear it, because I don't want to be using like a music that might get me struck down, you know. Don't want to be struck down. Now we do not want when using skill gain, overcharge shield, skill power. Yeah, sure. It's not bad. More skill power, more damage, right? So we don't mind that. Now, once you get the HP exploit, if you don't have a variable that gives you HP, you wanna be running around, actually looking at the drops that mobs give, and find those red orbs, or else you're gonna die. Trust me, the HP exploit damage will kill you. Also, you gotta be careful about the fact that sometimes the HP orbs despawn once you clear the waves, just like it happened to me 3 times in a row now, which is extremely annoying. I guess they did it to like how can I say this? Yeah, you see that those 2 HP orbs just disappeared in front of my face. You know why? Because I guess they want to like reduce lag or some shit. It is kinda annoying, especially in trials. When I'm like constantly dealing with enemies, I'm trying to get the HP orb so I don't actually die, and you make it despawn right in front of my face. Like, alright, dude, I guess. Like, I guess I'm just supposed to die. Like, what the fuck, dude? You know what I mean? Getting more max HP will eventually pay off. We are gonna get something. So yeah, just wanna do that. Get as much max HP as I can. Keep running around. Keep collecting your red orbs. Keep using your ult, your Q. I believe you can do 2 Qs with my build and then 1 ult. Well, I ult back to back, but still. There we go. Just jump into those green zone. Skill over arc overload is good, but I wanna get HP imprint now. If you pause the video over there and read what HP imprint does, well, you actually don't have to read it because you're seeing 400 million actually. 400 million damage being done to enemies. It is non-crit, it cannot crit, but it scales off of your HP. So more HP you get, more damage you're gonna be dealing, and you're gonna be running through these enemies. I would consider myself unlucky, just because how long it took for us to get it, but still. All of these are useless. I'm not gonna be doing any firearm attack damage, so it doesn't matter which one I choose, really. So yeah, all you gotta do is just run through enemies and they just instantly die. So I'm gonna be proccing my golden ensemble just so I deal a bit more damage. Also, the damage, the 395 million damage, is per target. It goes on 3-second cooldown, so every 3 seconds we are gonna be dealing that amount of damage. So the faster you get this, the easier and faster you're gonna be clearing the mobs, right? Electric skill power, we already have a lot of variables that give us skill power though, so it is what it is. Still gonna be choosing that. You see that damage? You see that damage, that chunk of damage that's being dealt? That's HP imprint doing all the damage, baby. What's happening? Oh, we actually managed to get a quality 256. I mean, it is what it is, bro. It's bugged, I guess. Yeah. It's whatever. But yeah, you have about 7% chance. MP imprint, another good one. Just wanna be focusing on getting MP just as well as getting HP now. So you see now 2 white numbers. One is HP, one is MP imprint. They're both really good. Also my crit damage is really high as well because we chose some of those modules as well. Variables, sorry. I keep messing up the names. I'm not into the TFT slang. I'm still trying to get like used to it and shit. But yeah, I think there is also Def Imprint. It's not called Def Imprint, but it's like the damage scales off of... It might be called Def Imprint, I'm not sure. But the damage scales off of your defense that you have. There is also a shield one, I believe. Singular, no. Chill, skill duration, no. Overcharge, max shield, yep. So we want to be focusing on getting MP, HP, shield, right? Because we are scaling our damage of those things. So if we get no good option like fusion critical hit damage, or if we don't get like electric critical hit damage or just electric skill power, then we are gonna be choosing max shield, max HP or max MP. Those are gonna be our 3 best options to choose from. Skill power is good as well, but I don't want it on my one, right? Chill, toxic, nope. Strong mentality, okay, we're just gonna be getting... Did you get a def one? Overcharge shield. No, max shield, okay. Okay, no. If you choose that, critical hit rate is fixed at 100%. It is not fixed at 100%. It is 0%. Please never choose that. If you're running crit bunny, that is disgusting. Anything that's crit, and if you like somehow choose that, I don't know if it's by accident or not, you're cooked, bro. Your damage is going straight out of the window. Only thing you're gonna be relying on is HP imprint, MP imprint if you have those. That kind of damage. That's the only thing that might quote-unquote save you. Rounds per magazine, we don't need that, we don't need that. When using skill tool, we don't need that. Firearm attack, skill duration, I think just... we're getting some bad rolls, unfortunately, we're not getting any HP. HP would be nice because we are gonna be increasing our HP imprint damage, and MP would be nice because we are increasing our MP imprint damage. And shield would be nice because we are increasing the skill power that we are getting from the variable which we chose, which is scaling off of max shield. God damn, that was a long ass line. That sounded shorter in my head, not gonna lie. Skill 3 critical hit damage is nice because it's my wheel, right? I don't have to like touch it. It's just on permanently basically. We just run around with it. But yeah, we're gonna be dealing some damage to this guy. We're gonna be able to quickly take him down. Bunny's clear is quite quick. I believe like running solos is way faster than doing like public lobbies, right? I would suggest that you run. Yeah, I'm about to fucking die. Okay, I actually managed to survive. God damn. I completely lost my thought process. I don't even remember what I was saying, not gonna lie. Fuck. Anyways, yeah, we almost died. Yo, melee, no. Chill, all of these are garbage. It is what it is. Yeah, we gotta start getting those HP ups. I gotta like, it's like I'm way too close to dying. It's not a big deal if you die like here and there, but I'd still rather not fucking die, you know what I mean? Just running around, dealing like 400 million non-crit damage and like 100 million crit damage is kinda crazy. Let's try getting... Okay, there we go. This is good as well, but I'm gonna be choosing shield imprint over that. It's kinda sad how we got two good like variables at the same time, because I actually have to like choose which one I wanna get. So now we have shield imprint, MP imprint, and HP imprint. So now we have three things that are scaling off of quote-unquote bad rolls that you might not be like choosing and shit. But they like if you don't get any variables like fusion skill, critical hit damage, then you could just choose to get HP or something, like, right? Critical hit damage, obviously gonna be choosing that. So we could go with shield and shield will be fine. We could go with HP and HP would be fine. We could go with MP and MP would be fine. So everything is gonna be fine no matter what we choose. We see some 60 million crit damages as well. So we are scaling our crit damage, so we are not completely relying on our non-crit damage, right? Also, we're currently streaming, so this is all being recorded while I'm streaming. If you wanna catch my streams, I stream. I don't have a schedule, I just stream at like completely random times, mostly like USA time, but still. I stream around 2 to 4 hours, sometimes even more. Depends on how the chat goes, right? Let's see, absorb torrent is nice. Let's choose that so we don't run out of mana. Just get that now. But yeah, I stream on Twitch and Kick daily, almost daily. Singular, no. These are all bad. I'm just gonna choose that. They were all terrible options. But yeah, this is gonna be quite a quick run for Bunny. Now, I would say I would put this run at slightly above average that you should be expecting on Bunny. This is like slightly above run, right? Now a perfect run would get you, like, would help you like clear this like in a I don't want to give it like exact like time frame. I want to say below, like, actually around 10 minutes is what I would like to say. Okay, on this round took us 14 minutes and 40 seconds. We dealt 1.3 trillion damage. Now let me go back and show you guys what build I'm running, what Descendant modules I'm using, what reactor I have. I already told you about blue build. I don't have anything except grappling hook, sprint speed. You only need 10% sprint speed to max out your speed, right? On bunny. I use Voltia for onslaught. This build is the build that I have on this is really good on onslaught as well. This is what I use. This for onslaught 3 though, just because if you wanna be able to like break the shields on onslaught 3, could be useful on onslaught 4 as well. This is just leveling up. I was just leveling up a proficiency. Holy shit, can I speak? This is the reactor that I'm using, critical hit rate and critical hit damage. Now, getting rate, I don't think it's necessary. You could go with like fusion and critical hit damage instead. It is fine. It is fine. The sprint accelerator is what I'm using as my external components. You don't have to get exact substats, but it would be nice. Obviously, want to get max HP and defense on all of them as high as you can. Now, let's go over to the Descendant modules. I'm using Golden Ensemble. Now, you could be using. This is the. What was I saying? My bad. This is the build that I'm running. My current Ancestor module is absolutely terrible. It's actually not that bad, but like it's giving me critical hit rate, critical hit damage, and it's reducing my electrical skill power boost ratio, which is reducing my damage, right? But there is the quote-unquote best one I got right now. I got some other ones as well, but this is good for like a beam build. Yeah, I don't got anything better than that. That's about it though. That's the build that I'm using. This is the arc tuning. If you wanna quickly copy that. Mainly focusing on skill power and critical hit damage, right? Also cooldown reduction would be nice as well. And this is gonna be our inversion reinforcement. And this is gonna be our fellow. We are using just a normal dog, Huggy sheepdog, right? Anyways, that's about it. I hope I covered as much as I could. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to drop a like, drop a comment down below if you would like to, if you would like for me to upload some kind of like different Descendant on Trials or on Onslaught or any of the game modes. If you guys don't have any clue like what to run, just make sure to drop a comment down below. I'll make sure to take a look at it and upload the video. Anyways, I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.